Hi everyone. My name is Deepak Bansal. Today we're going to discuss Arista newly launched 7060XE7 switch. Now, this platform sits in very specific part of the network, next generation AI and high performance data center fabrics. Now that matters because AI clusters are very different from normal enterprise workload, right? When the thousands of GPUs are exchanging the data, even a short burst or congestion pressure can overwhelm the network, right? So the very first strong point here is the density. Now, if you see the port configuration, it provides you 64 gig of ports. Right now, if you can click on this view under product page, and it will give you the detailed history of the switch port. Now it provides 1.6 terabytes of platform, right? And if you see the it comes with the three different port models: 70X60XE7-64 and RVS3L and 128PE. Now the good point about this switch is like, if you see this 120U liquid cooled platform, which itself differentiate this switch from the other network. Now the second point here is power and physical design. At this scale, bandwidth alone is not enough, right? Number of ports or 1.6 terabyte is not enough. Now the power, cooling and optics become design constraints. Now this platform supports riding heat sink optics and is a part of the Arista broader 706 family, built for air, liquid and hypercooled environments. Now if you click on this link, right, and the blog and the white paper, you will see the chassis based switches, very different from the traditional chassis based platform. You will see it is a 4RU chassis, right? And basically it supports the AI traffic, predictable, meaning is AI traffic is not clean and predictable. You can't just say, okay, my constant rate of traffic is 20 gig on this interface. It's going up and down. Now you get micro burst or collective communication patterns and congestion events. Now that can impact job completion time of those GPU. uh, that is where feature like intelligent buffering, enhanced congestion control, dynamic load balancing, cluster load balancing, PFC, priority flow control, um, aware mechanism become important. The goal is not just to move the packet fast, the goal is to keep the fabric stable when the workload load is under pressure, right? Now in terms of the feature, it supports all the advanced features like VXLAN, VPN, or MACsec, or GTP. It manages with the EOC, EOS, from Arista, and you can manage it with the Cloud Vision. So if you're planning AI infrastructure, GPU cluster or high density Ethernet fabrics, this switch is worth watching. The Arista, this is less about more ports and more about building a network that can keep up with the compute layer. Thank you all. Thank you so much for watching.